Hey guys, welcome to DV Tech, and right here we have the Nike Apple Watch Series 8. Now these usually range in between the prices of $400 to $430, but let's go ahead and get straight into the unboxing right now. Alright, so here we have the Nike Apple Watch box up close. Now, sorry, hit you guys on the camera. Here on the back is going to be the Series 8 silver aluminum case that is 45 millimeters. Now, I'm not exactly going to go over all the stats today because today is just the unboxing. Stay tuned for next week, though, is going to be the actual review. 5 minutes, I'm finally figuring this out now. Alright, so let's go ahead and see. Alright, wow. Alright, this is very nice. I thought I was going to need scissors, to cut this open, but, I don't. First off, the box in itself is very impressive. I like this interior design here. We have, I believe this is the Ultra. Then you get the regular ones here. Definitely a neat box. Here's the actual Apple Watch itself. The box for it. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, okay, yeah, there's two boxes. One is for the band. That's not important. This is the main one right here. Alright, so now the moment you've all been waiting for here. The Apple Watch reveal. Let's go ahead and remove this box. Alright, see. Alright, very nice, very nice. Here, designed by Apple in California. Nobody needs junk. Throw it out. Alright, here's gonna be your charger. Now, I believe this is Type-C. Now, Apple is rolling out with the Type-C stuff instead of your regular one. So, yeah, this connects to the back. And here, nicely wrapped in, I think, some sort of fabric. Don't know if this is cardboard or not, but let's take this out. Alright, very nice. I believe these are the scanners for if you want to check your heart rate, blood pressure, and on all of that. Go ahead and open the bands here, which is the other main accessory, obviously, for the watch. How you're going to wear it. Nike Apple Watch. Very nice, very clean. Let's go ahead and open this up. It tells you how to put it on, how to slide it on. The rules here. We got the white and black band. I believe it's called Summit White and Black. Wow, these are very clean. These feel very nice. These are very smooth texture here. Now, obviously, this is Nike one, so you obviously want it to have breathable texture and not too sweaty and all of that. Let's go ahead and put it on the watch here. I probably needed that paperwork on how to slide it on, but alright, let's see here. I turned it on. This is the little Apple logo here. Also, I really love this band. It really is a clean style here. Probably is going through some updates. Obviously, just got turned on, factory made. Alright, let's go ahead here. What does it say? Bring iPhone? I barely saw that. Alright, so here's what pops up on the phone. Apple Watch. Use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch. Let's go ahead and click continue. Alright, your Apple Watch is paired. Very cool. Set up Apple Watch. And change the face. Oh, wow. That certainly is cool. Wrist support, would you like on the left? Yes, I would like it on my left hand. So obviously you can tell you can end up changing the watch face using your phone here. This is the new Nike Bounce feature that if you end up moving it just a little bit, you can see it kind of wobbles a little. It's kind of cool feature. So yeah, you are able to customize this. If I go ahead and log in, here's going to be where your notifications are. It's always on top, and then on the bottom is going to be your settings or somewhat. If you click again, this is going to be your list feature instead of that kind of bubble thing. So there is quite a lot of things here on the Apple Watch, as you can tell. I mean, there's some very impressive stuff here like heart rate. You can also do EKG, cycle tracking. You have a lot of things like blood oxygen. They definitely have a lot more features than they did, I would say, back then. So yeah, I do hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing video, and stay tuned for next week when we're gonna be doing the review, actually using it in the gym because it's meant for fitness. So we're gonna end up seeing how that goes. So yeah, do hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and see you guys in the next one.